Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can create and add a priority field to your boards and lists and projects on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your project on Jira. Let me go with that Kanban project here. And I personally prefer switching from the board to the list view, because the list view will give you a pretty good overview of all of your ongoing tasks and work items and issues within your project with fields like these here: status, assignee, due date. And as you can see, guys, for my account, the priority field has already been added. So if I, for example, click into one of these cells below, I will be given access to a drop-down menu and also assign a priority level to the given issue, like medium, highest, high, low, and lowest. So I can go with this one here and that classify as low, just for the sake of this tutorial. So if you'd like to add a priority field like this, guys, because you don't see it in your list view, you may do it really easily by clicking into that plus button at the very right end of your list and add a separate column. To do that, click into create a field here. And after that, select the field type. So let us again go with a drop-down menu. After that, give it a field name. Okay, I can't name it priority again, so I will name it, for example, I don't know, urgent or something like that, just for demonstration purposes. But if you don't see priority, guys, you can, of course, name it priority here. Click into create, and that is going to add that field here to your list as a separate column. Now, you may customize it, for example, by describing it here and by adding options like we did with these cells here. So if I click into option 1, I may, for instance, name it extremely urgent, and then add another option and add very urgent. You see what I'm getting at, guys, right? So click into add option and urgent, and also number 4, not so urgent. And that's basically it. You may also change the order, for example, here. And once we have finished editing these fields, guys, simply close that window here by clicking into the X. And that's it. So now you will be given the opportunity to assign a priority or urgent level here by clicking to this button and select one of these levels here. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.